Hey everyone, it's Marissa, and today I have a collective online haul that I wanted to share with you guys, just in case you guys missed out on something or are interested in some of these items. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, but normally I don't share my AliExpress hauls because when they come in like all at one time, and I just like put them to the side and then forget about it. But anyways, and then you have to put all the links down below and all that stuff. But I'm going to share with you guys today what I got that came in, because these are super cute and I had saw these and I knew I had to get them. And then I also seen Jenny haul these as well. So look at how stinking cute. They're like Sanrio characters, and they're all on the hooks, so you can use them as charms. So here, and I'll put the link down below. I have to find it because you know AliExpress, you don't just buy one thing, you buy a whole bunch of stuff and then you have to go look for the item. So I will find the item link down below and put it down below. But look at how stinking cute. I believe there's 10. And they do have them, you can buy them individually. I had bought them individually as well with this order, but apparently they ran out, so they canceled that order. So I will put the link down below for this. So I have those, and then also I wanted to show you guys, you know, for craft projects when we use the Velcro. I found all these on AliExpress, and you could also, I believe they have different sizes in these, but I don't recall which size I purchased. But I will again link everything down below so that you can find out where on Ali, because you know it's kind of a pain in the butt to search for things. So these are little dots, round dots of Velcro, and I got them in black, pink, yellow, and blue. So I thought that was super neat to add to your craft projects. There's that. And then from Not Too Shabby Shop, I've been purchasing stuff from her for years, and I bought a few things. So I purchased this Lawn Fawn stamp set, and then also the matching dies. And I love the how it has the stamp, and then you can stamp it over the die cut. So I purchased that, and then I also purchased her paper. Her name is Jamie, who's the owner, and look at how cute. So if you guys remember my last online collective haul, I purchased from Cat Scrappiness this super cute waffle die, heart die, and I thought it was so cute because she had a sample using this paper, and you see how it has like all the drippings here, so it can be like chocolate. So I thought that was a super cute deal to use this paper for this die that I previously had purchased. So that is my Not Too Shabby haul. And then from the Stamps of Life, I got this in a while ago. My online hauls, I try not to do them every week because I'd like to collect everything before I do a video. But this one I received a while ago, and this is from the Stamps of Life. And I got this bubblegum machine, and Bona had showed it on her video or her Instagram, and then Jenny purchased this and made a card and gave this to me. So this is the card that Jenny made me using this. So it's pretty big. Look at, that's my hand. That, and then from Lila Craft Store, that is the website. I purchased this. I saw Strawberry Cream on YouTube do a project where she used these super cute scissors. So I knew I saw these scissors somewhere, and I purchased it. Look at how cute. And it comes with some spools and some buttons, but these are the scissors. So I'm super excited that I was able to get this. Purchase that. And then from Alt New, love this stamp company. I've been buying from them for years as well. This is the company here. And I purchased one of their new stamp and die sets. So this one is called, give me 1 second, Crafty. It's called Crafty Life Stamp and Die Bundle. So this is called Crafty Life. And look at how stinking cute. Look at all the cute sentiments. And so it came with this stamp set and also the die. And this is the die here. So basically these dies are for this, this, and this. So I thought that was really cute. So pick that up. And then from Tonic Studio, that is the company. I purchased this die, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I seen somebody do a tutorial on this or something similar to this, but this die was on sale, and when I saw it go on sale, I had to get it. So I got a really good deal on this. I don't remember, it was on sale, I don't remember how much it was, but it is this die right here. Isn't this so cute? I think this is the number. But it comes with 26 dies, and you could stack them on top or just leave it as is like this, but this one they have it stacked on top. So cute. It's very dimensional. Let's see. Look at how cute. This is the back of the packaging, and it shows you samples of what it looks like. Look at how cute. I probably will just be using this though. This piece right here. But it's so gorgeous. So I picked that up. And then lastly this is from scrapbook.com. They came back out, and I've been waiting for these to come out, and they finally came out. It's the scrapbook. It's made by scrapbook.com, and it's called the Magic Mat. So these were on sale. So I got this one, and that is the mat size, or the mat info. And then I also picked it up in the extended size, and then they have another size that was not in stock yet. So I just purchased these because I am always trying to I have a few different machines, and I just hate it when I mess up the cutting plate. So the Magic Mat, it won't warp or anything. And I also bought this one, let's see, the iMend self-mending from Tara. So I have multiple ones to use. So I'm super excited about that. I can just toss away my other ones because they just need to be tossed out. And then also from scrapbook.com, I love these card kits. And let me tell you why. I love these card kits because for my non-crafty family or friends, I love to give them out because, you know, you spend a lot of time on cards that you do make by hand, and then they just toss them, you know. So I thought these were super easy, super quick, and I wouldn't feel bad if they toss these. But these are the Simple Story card kits. Just move this up a little bit. And this one is called Hello Lovely, and these are also fun to put together. And this makes 8 cards, and it comes with everything that you see here. I thought this was super cute. So you don't need to cut anything. Everything, all you need to do is add adhesive. You don't need to cut. You don't need to use your scissors or your cutting machine or anything like that. So this is what it all includes here. that one. Again, this is called Hello Lovely, and this one is super cute. This one is called Sending Sunshine. Look at how adorable that is. And this is perfect for those who are getting started into card making. So I would totally recommend these for you guys. So yeah, these, a lot of birthdays and holidays and things like that are coming up. So these would be perfect for my husband to use, for his co-workers, or, you know, family members, or just, you know, in general. So yeah, that is my collective haul. I hope everybody has a fantastic week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.